Access. Creating relational databases. Learn what a relational database is and how to create one in Microsoft Access. You may have heard that Access is a relational database tool. But what is relational data? And what does it mean to you? The answer is quite a lot. If you can create tables, forms, and reports in Access, understanding how to work with relational data is the next step in learning to use Microsoft Access. Much of the data that you work with can and should be stored in a relational format. A relational database offers benefits when storing vast quantities of interrelated data. It makes easy to edit and update the data, and it reduces duplication. Here, I'll show you step by step how to create tables that are related to each other and how to access the data stored in multiple tables by querying it and reporting on it. Even if you've never used Access before, these step-by-step instructions will be easy to follow. Creating the tables. To see how you create and manage relational data like our sample data in Access, follow these step-by-step instructions for creating the tables you'll need. Because this project is more a familiarization exercise than one you'll put to practical use. The tables are small so you can create them quickly. In practice, you would want to store more information in your tables, and to do this, you'd simply add an extra field of each piece of information you want to record. The instructions which follow use Access 2013, but they'll work pretty much the same in any version of Access, including Access 97, Access 2000, Access 2003, Access 2007, Access 2010, Access 2013. Just look around to find the option which matches the Access 2013 one. Open Access and choose Blank Desktop Database from the dialog which appears. Give your database a name, Student Database 1, and select a folder to store it in and click Create. You'll see Table 1 appear on the screen. You'll create your table in Design View, so from the ribbon, choose View. Design View, call your table Student and click OK. In the field name, type Student ID. In the data type, type number, choose number. In description, student number. In field size, NA. In caption is student number. Field name, first name. Short text, student first name. And the field size is 20. Caption, first name. In the field name, last name. Data type, short text. Description is student last name. Field size 20. Caption, last name. Next field name is address. Data type, short text. Description is student address. Field size 20. Caption, address. Click create. Table and repeat this step to create a second table called student 2. It should have these fields and captions. Field name, student ID. Data type is number. Description is student number. Field size NA. Caption is student number. First name. Data type, short text. Description, student first name. Caption, first name. Last name. Data type, short text. Description, student last name. Caption, last name. Address. Data type, short text. Description, student address. Caption, address. Age. Data type, short text. Description, student age. Caption, age. Do not set a primary key for this table so, if prompted to do so, answer no. If the primary key is created for you automatically, as it is in this example below, right-click the row and deselect the primary key so it is removed. Close and save both tables before continuing. Create the relationship. Once the tables are created, you must tell Access how they are related so it can manage the data for you. It will ensure that, for example, you don't try to add a student to for a student that does not exist. To create the relationship, choose Database tool. Relationships. When the Show Table dialog appears, click Student and click Add. Then click Student 2 and click Add. And then click Close. You'll see two lists on the screen displaying the fields in each table. Click on the Student ID field in the Student table and drag it over the Student ID field in the Student 2 table and let go. When the Edit Relationships dialog appears, click the Enforce Referential Integrity checkbox, and Access will protect your data against you deleting or making changes to one table that will affect the data in the other table. Click Create to continue. You can now close the dialog and answer Yes when prompted to save your changes.